So I should show you something. So we had a bit of a clear out, and I found some cards, some snap cards.
Oh yeah.
That I used to play with when I was a kid, and this is them. We only need one set. Do you want to use the red or the blue? It really doesn't matter.
The blue. I'm a blue
Lovely.
boy. Yeah.
So, why I loved them is they're circus cards, and this image was the first time I'd ever seen a magician.
Really?
Yeah, it's so sweet, and I love just the colour of the table. I kind of used to carry it with me, so it's hence it being a bit squashed and knackered.
Yeah.
But I just found it such an exciting, mysterious image when I was a kid. But the rest of the cards are equally adorable. You tell me when you're happy that they're mixed. That's fine.
Yep.
Good. So look, this is them. You used to think that looked like my dad.
Right.
Suspect I'm heading that way as well. Anyway, so that's them. Yeah,
Okay.
happy. So I would do this thing with my grandpa or my sister or my dad, whoever I played with, where I would think I was like the magician.
Yeah.
And I'd say, I didn't know what I was doing, but I'd say, tell me to deal, or tell me to mix them if you want me to mix them, or deal them, or mix, whatever you want, I would do it. So let's do that.
Okay.
You tell me whether you want me to deal or mix, and that's exactly what I'll do.
Deal. Deal. Mix. Deal. Mix.
Very
Deal.
serious.
Mix. Deal.
You got 3 left,
Deal.
and that's it.
Right.
Good?
Yeah.
Fair?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, as
Yes.
you have a bit of rum and raisin and pistache, is that people will talk, if someone does magic to you, often they'll talk about, well, the first trick that I ever learnt, I don't really remember that, but what I do remember very, very clearly is the very moment that I knew, oh my God, I can kind of be like him. I can do magic. I can make someone do something without them knowing I was doing it. I could just do that. Like the fact you chose the blue cards,
Yeah.
not the red. And that felt fair, didn't it?
Totally.
Totally
Yeah.
fair. Felt that way.
Yep.
But look, if I turn that over, it says, I'll make you choose
Stop it.
the blue card. But
Right.
it was fair.
Yeah, there was no steer there.
No, it didn't feel like that. And
No,
in,
it
exactly,
didn't.
in exactly the same way, they were mixed, and that was fair, and you were happy with that. And then you sort of dealt reverse, and in
Yeah, that's
whatever mushy,
reasonable instructions.
crazy way you wanted to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Despite the fact you did all that, despite being mixed by you and all those choices, that was the moment I knew that I could do magic.
Stop. Really? That's amazing. That is amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've nothing to say about that. I'm going to go back to my ice cream and just might shed a little tear.
So there we are.
More.